Hey there, the Art-tastic Sisters here. Today we're going to show you how to do a home decor DIY. For this, you will be needing 13 ice cream sticks at least and glue. And if you have 2 more ice cream sticks, that is 15 ice cream sticks, this much will be enough for you. But if you are having 13, then you'll be needing a strip of paper and scissors extra. So let's get started. First, we will be needing 4 ice cream sticks. We have to place 2 of them like this and then put glue like this, and now we have to place this stick like this, connecting both of them. Basically, we just have to make a square using these ice cream sticks. And yes, we've made the square, so we have to let this dry so that they can stick together. Now, if you have 15 ice cream sticks, that is 2 extra, then all you have to do is remake the square again. Now I've remade the square, and you have to fill it up here with the remaining ice cream sticks. So you just have to fill it up here till here. Now, since I have only 13 ice cream sticks, I'll be using this paper method. For this, you can take any useless paper and just take the ice cream stick and apply a little bit of glue on the center, or you can apply it on the paper, up to you. Apply it on the stick and you stick it on the paper like this, and then you go on sticking the sticks in a straight, like a box. So now you have to cut off this extra strip of paper. Now you take the square you have made and keep it like this, like a diamond shape, and then stick this extra patch which you've made like this on top. Now you can write or draw whatever you want to do in this box you can see here. So for what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use 2 colors of paint, this one and this one. And I'm also gonna use black paint or black brown paint. And I'm also gonna use earbuds, like buds. Now I'm gonna use 7 of them, but you can do it 2 instead of 6 of them tied in a bunch and one like this spray. And we'll also be needing aluminum foil crushed into a ball like this and white paint. Now I'm gonna take 6 of the buds, like you can use just 1. So I'm going to put white paint over here on top, and now I'm gonna put this like this. In the next single earbuds, you're gonna take this color, red color, I mean vermilion to be more specific. So, and you're gonna do small dots in between. And voila, we're done. So if you want to hang this thing, you can use a red ribbon or a string or anything of your choice. So first, what you have to do is you have to fold it in half, one way of hanging it, and then take this part where it's folded, put it inside this hole like this, pull it out, and then put this end like this, just pull it like this, and pull them together, and yes, we're done. Now you can hang it like this in any wall of yours, or you can stick it somewhere in your doors or anywhere. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if yes, you can click the like button, and don't forget to share the video and subscribe for more such videos. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.